Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have a What's Old video for you today. Actually, this is kind of a little bit of a different video. It's Tuesday morning. It's actually Cathy's birthday, and we just dropped the kids off at school, and we're gonna run up to Castle Rock and do a little bit of thrifting up there, have some breakfast, just kind of do something out of the ordinary, just to have a fun day. So I'm gonna turn it over to Cathy, and we're gonna start pulling our orders for this morning. I think we had like 6 or 7 to pull, and then we'll probably have some more later after we get back from Castle Rock. So here's Cathy.
Yeah, and I have some coffee, so thank you guys for. So definitely made my morning. Made my month. This is enough coffees for like a month. So Tanya bought 2 and said, happy birthday, have a great day. Thank you, Tanya.
Thank you.
Malika bought 3 and said, Cathy, may this birthday be and the next be filled with an overflow of joy and blessings. I enjoy watching and started reselling in February. Learned so much from your channel, especially about weighing shipping with non-posh platforms. Keep up the exceptional work. Chris and the boys are lovely, but of course Reese is my favorite.
This guy, this guy over here chewing on his foot, that's who you like more? I'm just kidding. We like him more too.
Can't wait to see updates on the floors and bus. So thank you so much, Malika.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I think it's Ashley. It says Gilstrap gets as the thing. So you know who you are. Thank you so much. You bought us 2 coffees. Said you 2 are a non-negotiable daily watch. Thanks for being such an inspiration, and give Reese a pet for us. Not unless he comes on his bed. Also thank you for the Instagram follow. Ash, was so excited because she loves Cathy, so thank you so much. And then Destiny bought us 3 coffees and said, happy birthday, hope it's a great day. So thank you,
thanks,
Destiny. Me and Destiny have a fun little collaboration coming up, so
yep.
excited for that. I'll just spoil it a little. It's like it was kind of a fun scavenger hunt that we did. We each had 15 things to find in the thrift, and then we sent them to each other, and then we're gonna, it's kind of like a mystery unboxing at that point. But
awesome.
So I'm excited.
All right, you ready for me to sing happy birthday to you?
No. I'm ready to pull my items though.
Just kidding.
I already had someone sing me happy birthday. My friends took me to dinner the other night, so I already had one awkward happy birthday this year. So. All right.
Cathy hates being the center of attention, if you haven't noticed. So I try to make it as uncomfortable as possible on her birthdays.
The first thing that sold was this Ford manual. It's funny, this actually sold through global shipping, and it's going to Poland. So
wow,
that was cool. Chris actually picked this up at a Goodwill for $1.99, and it sold for $18.77 plus shipping. I did see the buyer paid total like 50 something bucks though to get it shipped and then off to Poland. So I guess he really needed this or wanted this.
Yeah.
So yeah, all of these that we've picked up have sold. So definitely, I mean, obviously not for a ton, but most of them sold in the $18 to $20 range plus shipping.
Yeah.
So definitely worth a pickup for $1 or $2. All right, I sold something I just listed last night, which means I haven't put it away yet. Where you at? It's just this cute little Minnie and Mickey vintage cardigan, Christmas cardigan. I picked this up just a couple days ago for $3.99 at Goodwill, and it sold for $29.95 plus shipping on eBay. So full price sale, super awesome. Ship that out in a poly mailer. And the Ford book we'll just ship out. We'll grab like an old Amazon padded mailer from our stash.
Yeah, we'll still probably put it in one of the clear bags just to keep it a little bit waterproof if it's going all the way to Poland. So.
All right, AS. Got these Patagonia shoes. I think these are from that $50 challenge. I need to keep better track of that for our what sold for that thing. But yeah, I've sold a good amount of the stuff I've listed from that day. These came from the bin, so I have $1.95 into them, and they sold for $26.66 plus shipping. So, and they're Patagonia shoes. Did I say they're Patagonia?
I don't know.
So they're Patagonia shoes. They sold fairly quickly. Also, an eBay mailer. They only weigh about 10 ounces, so super lightweight.
Yeah, one cool thing about our spreadsheet that's going to be coming out soon is we'll be easily able to define different types of things, like if we have collaborations. So we'll be able to search them up that way. And you guys will be able to, because you'll be able to have that spreadsheet as well.
Yeah. I always liked watching Commonwealth Picker. He always like names all of his scratch sales too, like this. I can't think of one at the moment, but like the stuffed animal sale or whatever.
Yeah.
So I always thought that was fun. CN.
Or the one that I got this in her underwear drawer box sale or something like that. Or is that just the name of his video?
I think he does have something like that. So, these are just some Cole Haan Zero brand, like suede wingtip Oxford shoes. We did pick these up at a Goodwill in Woodland Park, Colorado for $14.99. They sold for $53.36 plus shipping, so not bad. I was able to get shipping a little cheaper through UPS, and I'm already going to UPS for a Mercari sale, so I'm good with that. I saved about 70 cents, and I only paid about like 5 cents per box, because since we had a free eBay coupon, I only had to pay like $5 out of pocket or so for 50 boxes, so 10 cents a box, I guess.
Yeah, I think we're gonna start actually buying boxes here soon, just because we've been running out so often, and it is it's a pain when you don't have a box on hand. Yeah,
and well, because I want to start doing mainly shoes. I know I always say that and then don't do it. Hey, I gotta go in BB. Can I get in BB?
Come here, Reese.
Shake it. Oh, like a good boy. All right, I'll give you a hug if you let me get in box BB. Come here.
All right, come on, Reese.
Oh, he's a good boy.
All right, there you go. I'll give you. It's a good boy.
So this is a mini Bowden, just like snow bib, snow pants. Camilla from 5 Resellers actually gave me this at the bins in Denver last week. I just listed it yesterday on Mercari. Then it sold for my full list price, which is $55 plus shipping. So
wow.
Very happy with that. Yeah, I didn't expect it to sell for the full price. I was thinking, I listed it high thinking someone would make an offer, so very happy with that. That's the other UPS, so I cannot use a box. Well, I can use an eBay box, but I want to save those.
Right.
So
Poly mailer would work.
Alrighty, okay. It's funny, I'm trying to save a box when those bigger poly mailers actually cost like 35, 40 cents. So it's like...
Yeah, but we just have a lot more on hand, so it's...
That's true. Yeah, we were looking at some boxes the other day in bulk. It seems like we can get them around 50 cents or so or less. So if we can figure that out, we'll let you guys know where we've gotten them from. These are some Nike, just basic black women's sneakers. I have an average cost of goods this day was kind of high, $10.16, but they sold for $31 with discount shipping. So more than doubled my money there. Pretty quick sale. That sold on Posh, so I don't know. I'm gonna try for maybe a medium. I'll get a box in a minute. It's kind of one of those ones that I think is too big for a regional A, too small for a regional B. I do not know what this says. CL, I think, is what it says. Joy. What joy? Golf cleats. These I got at Plato's Closet for $12, and they sold for $47 with discount shipping on Posh. So, love my golf stuff.
All right, so that's everything we have for this morning, right? So I don't know if we're gonna pack it all up just yet.
No.
But we're gonna go up to Castle Rock and get some breakfast and
shop
maybe
a little.
find some new stuff. So we're gonna bring you guys along the way. So stick around. All right, guys. So we're at Starbucks and we're getting Cathy a coffee. And actually, we've had a viewer suggest a medicine ball tea for me, so I'm getting that. I think I've had a couple times and it's been great. But fun fact, we actually used to live in these apartments when we first got married, right across the street over here.
We actually had our reception just right across over there too.
Before this Starbucks even existed. But yeah, just thought you guys would like to know that. So we're gonna get our coffee and then go up and do some thrifting. All right, guys, we're gonna run into this Goodwill and source a little bit.
I think we were gonna go to Castle Rock, but I think that we don't have enough time. So I get nervous because of traffic. There's a lot of construction on the interstate, and we definitely have to be back to get our kids in school, from school on time. And so I'll just do that another day. But yeah, we're gonna hit this Goodwill, and depending on how much time, hopefully a couple more as well.
So let's find something good. All right, guys, we finished up at Goodwill, and we're actually at the Ark. We're gonna stop in there real quick. It was a little loud and windy at the last place, so we're gonna show you a little bit of what we found at the Goodwill. So here's Cathy.
Hey guys, yeah, we did a lot of shoes, and we even put quite a bit back just because trying to be picky and not pick up anything like dirty.
Yeah.
So, I won't really do comps because it's a little loud still.
Yeah.
We're in a parking lot, but
We want to go in here and thrift a little bit, so we're kind of running low on time, which we were expecting.
I'm slow, so yeah. The day's going by fast. But yeah, these are some really nice Timberland boots. These actually might be probably the best thing we found. I forgot what they're called, but they're some sort of Nike. I think these were like the Dunk High, and they're like waterproof or something. I saw a sold comp in like worse condition for $102 shipped, so those are cool. I found some Crocs Chelsea boots. Those are kind of fun. Never sold like that style before. Got 2 pairs of Heelys. Heelys, they usually sell right around $30 plus shipping or so. New Attacks and Nooks. Timberland boots again.
Yeah, this Goodwill up in Woodland, or not Woodland Park, Monument. Monument always does really well for us. Has a lot of good stuff.
Especially shoes usually. There was one, the lady was putting out new shoes, so you might be thinking, oh, you got a lot, but a lot of these she had just put out.
Yeah.
But there was one pair that I really wanted that I didn't get, and I'm devastated. It was some Loa boots, like Gore-Tex, looking brand new, but
Someone
another
else
guy
snagged them up.
snatched them.
It's extremely busy today. There's a lot of people out and about. It's kind of crazy.
It's weird because, yeah, I normally thrift during the week because it's not busy, but both stores we've been to today have been really busy. 2 pairs of Saucony. Basically like new Skechers flats. Joseph Sibel mules. Like new. We got some random hard goods. Chris picked up. It's just like a Game Boy Advance.
Game case. Holds 3
cartridge
games.
Holder. I don't know. I've seen people do well with Sony Walkmans. I
Couldn't test
pick
it or
them up
anything yet.
because I mostly don't ever check these sections. But since Chris was with me, we were in this section and I saw this. So comps on these were like 25 for ship. So might be decent.
And they do have a return policy, so if it ends up not working,
It's right by our kids' swimming lesson place.
yeah.
So yeah, we can return for 7 days. So yeah, that was all the shoes. This was another random thing. It's just like a GoPro for dogs, like
Dog harness for GoPro.
kind of funny.
If we can't sell it, we'll put on Reese, and we'll get his view of the shop.
Bought for our kids to put in their potty.
Yeah, maybe they'll actually pee in the toilets this time.
Chris found another cash flow game. We haven't listed our other yet. I really love this. It's just a men's LLB like pullover. This is a Lauren Ralph Lauren 100% wool sweater. Some men's Under Armour, like a nice stretchy kind of dress, but probably like a golf pant. These are Levi's loose fit, so I'm usually selling these around $50. So these were $10, but I think they'll sell for around $50. These are just stickies, which I normally do not pick up, but there was 3 pairs of them in the same size, which was the large size, 44 by 32, and they were all like the sale colors, so
50% off.
yeah, so like I think I might lot them up. I don't know, maybe 3 pairs, just one shipping cost, you know. I can sell them a little less as a lot than trying to get them one by one. And then there was one other pair of Levi's, which was an orange tab, made in the USA. So like you can tell this is a paper tag. So a lot of people want to know, how do you know it's vintage? So first off, it says made in the USA, but not all of them say made in the USA. Yeah, this is like a papery tag. Orange tabs, I think, are only vintage at this point too. And then right here is a date code. So these were May of 92. 1992. So these are like really good shape. It's like someone wore them once and put them in their
orange
closet.
Tab. You see this tab here is orange.
For like 30 years. So yeah, that's what we got at that first stop.
So
time to run in here, but
yeah, we'll see what we can find in here, and we'll show you guys if we find anything good. All right, guys, just got a little bag of stuff out of this one. It was busy in there, and
apparently it's senior.
Yeah, we found out it's senior day.
We need to find some senior friends to come get us a discount.
Way to be born on senior day.
We only got 3 pairs of shoes here. One are these nice Fry men's Oxfords.
Fry shoes.
Sold Fry. I don't think I've ever sold men's. Really good shape. I think I can pull 50 out of those at least.
And it's sad because they were just putting out a bunch of new shoes too, and we had to pack it up and go. We got to go get the boys and stuff.
Maybe come back later tomorrow morning or something.
Yeah.
She told me to come on Wednesday mornings. That's when the color changes and they put out some other new stuff. So these are just some like vintage Nike type hiking boots. The service in that store really sucks, so I couldn't really tell. I couldn't look up comps, but I've sold others for like 40, 50 bucks. So hopefully those will do well. They are a women's 6.5, so kind of a small size, but I think people search out for these. So last but not least, it's a cool find only because I've never heard of it. So these, the brand says B-Link. Okay, I thought they were $10.99. They were $12.99, but
the link.
yeah, I don't know. So they reminded me of a barefoot shoe, like
Merrill or
like a Merrill barefoot, but like, what am I thinking? A Vivo barefoot, or I don't know.
The toe,
Anyways,
the barefoot, the toe ones.
No, I think it's Vivo barefoot. Those shoes sell for like so much money. Anyways, these reminded me of them, so I looked them up. I was able to get enough service, thankfully. I kind of want to show you. I don't know if you can see, but B-Link shoes. So yeah, like, there's only 4 sold, so there's only one. I guess there's like 2 listed, so there's one listed here, $114 with 12 watchers, and then this one for $175. So those are the only 2 listed, and only sold. So this one, so bid usually it sells way less than if someone would just price it to sell.
Yeah.
So those even still sold for $45. Those are pre-owned. These are technically new.
Yeah, still got the tag on them.
But yeah, some of the others. Well, I could have sworn there was others before. This one I can't tell what they sold for because it was the best offer. But yeah, I don't know. Probably price mine. I mean, here's another $119, but the best offer accepted. People are saying MSRP is like $200. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get like $100 out of these. We'll see.
It'd be nice.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pack it up and head home, and we'll see you guys back there. All right, guys, we're back at the house. Reese's been alone all day, sleeping away.
I was sleeping. I'm tired.
Strangely, we have not had any other orders come in since this morning. It's kind of been weird.
It's usually like that if I don't list anything, so.
So
any day I don't list during the day, I don't make sales during the day, so.
But it is about 3:30, so we're gonna get this stuff off to the post office. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the little, I don't know, different kind of video today. A little tribute to Cathy's birthday. I don't know, birthday adventure. I don't know. But we're going to get this stuff off to the post office and go pick up the boys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all of our support from our great viewers. And let us know what you thought about this video down in the comments below. That's going to do it, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.